we go.
My dear students, very good morning. I am today discussing about the chapter force. I think you might have heard about force in your previous classes. You know force is a physical quantity, and you know why it is called a physical quantity, because it can be measured. What is the role of force in the field of physics? As you know that force is a pull or push on a body which causes either change in shape or size, or it can make the body to move. So force can be understood as a physical quantity which can change the shape, size, or the place of the body. Now it is quite clear here that what are the actions of the force. But here it depends upon the body on which the force is applied. For example, if a non-rigid body is such that a force is applied on it, then what will happen? Then there will be change in the shape and size. For example, it is a non-rigid body and we are applying a force F, then there will be change in the shape and size of the body. Similarly, when a force is applied on a rigid body, then what will happen? The body will move, and such type of movement will be called as a motion, and such type of motion will be known as a linear motion or translational motion. So now we are discussing about the nature of rigid body here. On a rigid body, when a force is applied, obviously the body will be set into the motion. Now it depends upon again some condition whether the body will be set into the linear motion or not. It is quite clear that when the body is free to move, there is not any obstacle and the force is applied in that condition, then the body will move from one place to another place, and such type of motion will be known as translational motion or linear motion. Now I am just discussing about another condition when a rigid body is pivoted at a point or fixed upon at a point. Then in that condition, if a force is applied, then the body will try to rotate about its axis of rotation. Such type of motion will be known as rotational motion. This is known as rotational motion, and such type of force now will be treated in another name. Such type of motion will be known as rotational motion, and the force will be known as moment of a force or torque. Torque or moment of force. Now we are considering a body which is pivoted at a point P, and a force is applied horizontally on this body. What will be the moment of force? The moment of force will be equal to force applied on the body and the distance. Now it is quite clear what is the distance. You must know what is the distance. Distance is the actually distance between the point of force and the point of pivotation, which is totally perpendicular upon each other. So if the force is applied in this direction and the point of pivotation is at point P, the perpendicular distance between both the point of pivotation and applying the force is suppose that Pk. So it will be equal to F into Pk. Now factors which are responsible for the product of moment of force are two in numbers: the magnitude of the force applied and the perpendicular distance of the line of action of the force from the axis of rotation. Now it is quite clear that when a force is applied on a rigid body and the body is fixed or pivoted at a certain point, the body will try to rotate about its axis, and such type of motion is known as rotational motion, and the force applied on that body will be treated as moment of force or torque. The torque or moment of force depends upon two factors. The first factor is the magnitude of the force applied, and the second is the perpendicular distance of the line of action of the force from the axis of rotation, and it will be measured in Newton meter. Either you can write in such a way, or you can write NEWTON METRE Newton meter. In small you can write the whole name, but in capital you have to write the only single letter of that very measuring unit. So it is quite clear that the force applied on a body when the body is fixed or pivoted is known as moment of force, which is really responsible for making the body in rotational motion. Now, the CGS unit of that very particular moment of force is also very easy to know. It will be dyne centimeter. The SI unit is Newton meter and the CGS unit is dyne centimeter. You can convert Newton meter into dyne centimeter. For example, if we are writing 1 Newton meter, what does it mean? 1 Newton into 1 meter. Again, you can write 1 Newton as 10 to the power 5 dyne, and 1 meter can be written in 100 centimeter, and it will be 10 to the power 7 dyne centimeter. It is quite clear that moment of force is equal to force into distance. That is the distance between the point of pivot to the point where the force is applied. Now it is quite clear that the unit of moment of force is Newton meter or dyne centimeter. You have to learn the total examples what are given in your book. Now I am giving you homework that there are 5 to 6 examples given in your book that should be learned by you quite clearly, and all these examples are based upon the moment of force. And for example, first of all, I am just discussing about the first example, that a door is opened. How is it easy to open? When the distance from hinge to the point of application of force is larger, then it is quite clearly known to you that it is easy to open the door. But when you are applying the force near the hinge, it will be too much difficult for you to open a door. Why? Because the distance between the point of application of force and point of pivotation is very less. If the distance is less, the moment of force will be much more. The force will be much more needed, and it is very difficult to make the body in the rotational form. So it is quite easy example on this very type of application of force and the magnitude of the force and the distance which is between the point of pivotation and the line of action of force. All the examples are given. So please, my dear students, learn all the examples and deal it. There are various questions as a board level, and I hope that all of you have understood about the moment of force. There are 7 examples. You have to write all these examples. This is your homework. Next day I am just joining, and this will be again extended up to the final marks. Thank you very much.